And as demand for COVID shots slows, state health leaders are shifting their rollout strategy to hone in on skeptics and the underserved. Max Gordon is live. So what kind of changes are we talking about here, Max?
Well, Nicole, the state will be cutting back hours at those large mass vaccination sites. While they'll stay open for now, Dr. Christ says the focus is going to be on smaller scale efforts aimed at making the vaccine more available where people live.
The numbers are moving in the right direction.
We're still getting numbers of COVID cases reported each day. We're much lower than we were in January and February.
But Dr. Kara Christ says there's still a lot of work to do.
The urgency right now is to get as many people vaccinated as possible.
According to the state, more than 3 million people in Arizona have received at least one COVID-19 vaccine dose. But after a slight uptick in vaccinations when 12 to 15-year-olds became eligible last week, we're now seeing a decline in vaccinations administered each day.
We have to make it more convenient. And so, we are looking at starting to transition into more of those community-based pods.
One headwind the state is fighting: misinformation.
We would encourage anybody who thinks that the vaccines aren't safe to look at our website at azhealth.gov, to talk to their healthcare provider, or to go onto the CDC or NIH's webpage.
It's a race against the virus as state health leaders try to get as many people vaccinated as possible to prevent further mutations.
So we are seeing increased numbers of the variant, specifically the UK. We've seen numbers of the other variants.
State data released today shows from January 22nd to May 15th, 1,388 vaccinated Arizonans still got COVID-19. These so-called breakthrough cases still remain rare among the millions of Arizonans who have been vaccinated.
Now, I also asked Dr. Christ if the CDC's easing of mask requirements had any effect on Arizona's COVID-19 case numbers. To that, Dr. Christ says that it's currently too early to tell. Live in the newsroom, Max Gordon, Arizona's Family.